We love getting some of these old cars coming into the shop for some work. This is a 1940 Chevrolet Special Deluxe that came into our shop. It actually has been through minor restoration many years ago. The paint has all been done and all the interior. It unfortunately sat in a field for many years, so we're not going to be doing anything on the exterior, but the client brought it to us so that we could go after all of the mouse damage that happened on the interior, and he really just wants to get this into a condition that he can climb in here and start doing some work himself. So we're going to be doing some heavy lifting on getting all of the mouse droppings and everything that we can out of here.